Okay, we're here at Louderman Hall. Never would have guessed that. And what we have here is an old Otis, modded by guess who? Long. There's kind of no news.
It's not fun. It looks really old.
Yeah.
Just looks the old cab though, which is cool.
Shaft lights on.
Interesting. Got a magnetic card reader in here too.
And what? I guess we'll go up to 5. Okay, then let's go to 3.
3 is locked.
3 is locked, so we're gonna go to 4.
We got 1 4, 2 4s.
Yeah, cool little cab in this thing. When was this installed? 50s, early 60s?
Original one, but of course long modded it.
Yeah.
So here's the non-ADF phone because you don't have a door handle.
Yeah, there's the non-phone. Lucky to get stuck in there. All right, that's it.